Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, USDCAD today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are what? We are supposed. This was your doji, so it could not decide if it's going to go up or down, but it's going to go down. So come back to daily time frame. Daily, on this candle, I told you we will come and take the rejections. This is your breakout uptrend. Okay, so two possibilities right here. We might crash below. Okay, so you might go, you might continue going down, or else you will have the rejection from the EMA. Okay, so this week I think we will crash until the EMA, and then maybe rejection, and then maybe we'll go up. The time will tell. Okay, coming back to 4 hour. 4 hour, we have free trade for you, free money. If you enter USDCAD short right now, exit at the EMA, that's your free money. Free fucking money, and nobody can prove me wrong on this, okay? You can see here, this high was not able to break this high. So this is going to go down until the EMA. Close your eyes, take short in USDCAD and exit right at the EMA. Follow the trade when you enter short and exit just before the EMA, okay? That's your free fucking money. And in the long run, I think you will go down until the EMA. So this is your uptrend. Then you come down until here. That's your pullback, sexy deep pullback. Then further engulfing blue candle. Then you go up. That's future. Okay. So right now, I personally don't trust dollar. It's being manipulated. I have too many pairs to trade which are non-USD pairs. Okay. But still, if you're not trade dollar pairs, go and watch my analysis and then decide accordingly. USDCAD, I told you, what I gave you for free, nobody does. So subscribe, like, join Telegram, and if you want to get non-USD signals, then check out my premium signals. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.